Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Ambar Priraj, and I hope you all are doing really well. And in continuation with the talk series and the talk playlist which I have created, I'll be talking about the recent BrahMos export to Philippines. Moreover, India has extended support to Philippines, and it is going to export its first ever kind of, we can say, BrahMos missile to Philippines. And also, this is going to be the first kind of an export that India is going to be make in the global stage. Now let's look at why it is in news. So recently, Philippines has signed a deal worth 375 million US dollars with BrahMos Aerospace Private Limited for the supply of a shore-based anti-ship variant of the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile. This is the first export order for the missile, a joint product of India and Russia. Now, the question arises, why Philippines wants to induct this missile? So, the Philippines wants to induct this missile amid tensions with China over the disputed islands of the South China Sea. You can also see the South China Sea over there. And several countries have shown interest in acquiring the BrahMos missile. For example, discussions are in advanced stages with Indonesia and Thailand. So we can see multiple countries over there showing interest. Now let's talk about what are the key features or the salient features of BrahMos missile. So BrahMos is a joint venture between the DRDO and the NPOM of Russia. BrahMos is named on the rivers Brahmaputra and Moskova. It is a two-stage solid propellant engine in the first stage and liquid ramjet in second kind of a missile. It is a multi-platform missile, that is, it can be launched from land, air and sea, and multi-capability missile with pinpoint accuracy that works in both day and night irrespective of the weather conditions. It operates on the fire and forgets principle, that is, it does not require further guidance after launch. BrahMos is one of the fastest cruise missiles currently operationally deployed with speeds of Mach 2.8, which is nearly 3 times more than the speed of sound. Recently, an advanced version of BrahMos extended range C2C variant was test fired, following India's entry into the MTCR club, which stands for the Missile Technology Control Regime, in June 2016. The range is planned to be extended to 450 kilometers and to 600 kilometers at a later stage. The BrahMos missile was initially developed with a range capped at 290 kilometers. So ladies and gentlemen, this is for the day. I have briefly talked about the BrahMos export to Philippines and how much BrahMos means to India and to its defense capability. And in continuation with the series, the next video I'll bring will be based on the topic of MTCR, because I've been naming it quite more often. And as earlier I said, MTCR is Missile Technology Control Regime. So gentlemen, this is for the day. Thank you.